This is the day we go to the Turkish embassy early morning. Well, not that early, but 9:30. We stopped for coffee before time. Alright, here we go. Big day, big decisions. Good job!
Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, yeah. Será lo que será, yeah, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, yeah. Toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, yeah. Será lo que será.
Okay. We're just outside the Turkish embassy. I'm not even sure that we can film here. We just handed in Max's papers to process a visa for Turkey. I might have said it before, but Morocco is closed, so we have to change plan, travel through Europe, get out of Europe before Max's visa is running out on the 24th.
Baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, y si se nos da, ella será lo que será, ella los dos vamos a matar, ella toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da.
Good morning. We need help.
Okay.
I have the frame for the bags.
Yes.
This one has to come off. Otherwise it's just assembly.
Is only the side or the rack?
No, it's not here, it's just here.
Just here, okay.
And there's a frame going through.
I know.
Yeah. So it's only this one, and there's some attachment here.
Okay.
Something like that. You start today?
Maybe tomorrow. Yes.
And then you
When you finish the first, you will go.
afternoon with the
Yes.
next one.
Yeah.
Make one plate here.
Okay.
Do you know somebody who can make very quickly
There is a house, Irish. They call Irish.
Okay.
Irish. We sold pieces of metal. You can make a draw, deliver day.
And they make one.
They make one
Yeah.
in aluminium, in the
Metal.
lots of. They have lots of material.
Also plastic.
Plastic, no.
No. So the effort now is to pack or repack, see if we can, fit everything and all these things. And that's pretty much the case right now, and we're both enormously stressed out right now because things are coming to an end, and we have one delivery that is supposed to come today, and it did come. I'm so confused, I already forgot about it. So we have new windshields that I have to mount also. But the good thing is that we're getting the visa. We can probably get it tomorrow. Then get ready and traveling out of here as early as we can muster Thursday morning. Hope for the best and just go for it.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday and we're going to the Turkey embassy today to pick up my visa.
Dice que me ama cuando hay nubes grises, pero me saludan más las olas del mar. Ella es muy bipolar.
Now he's trying to install this new windshield. I'm gonna change this that's easy.
Oh wow, it's not that easy. I'm not done yet. I have to take this bracket out because I need that for the other one.
Yeah.
They are a bit of a pain to get off. They're so well snug mounted.
So
a
we
bit of persuasion,
figure it out.
but without spoiling everything.
Yeah. So, that's
So now I
how
have to
it
put
looks now.
Loctite on the screws. Put it in that one first. I'll put that in the lower one so I have as much stability as possible.
Yeah, I thought it's super long, but it's really cool.
Como si fuera un mendigo y para ser bien claro que despidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica pa' tu
So it's basically just 3 screws and then manipulate this plastic. This thing here was a little bit tricky to get off because it's the small locks, but those 2 locks is the only ones that have to come off. And when those are off, it's easy to get off and then install on this one here. So it's using the frame as such on this one here.
mejor nada, la lealtad es algo que ella no aprecia, no le interesa nada de nada. Me dice que me ama cuando hay nubes grises, pero me saludan más las olas del mar. Ella es muy bipolar con tantos matices.
You know, sometimes I bought this from somewhere. I don't need it.
Okay.
You keep it and use it for somebody.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, it's so fancy. Oh, it's nice. It's very nice. Oh, it's so beautiful. I like that. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Anything else? Okay.
Everything is okay. When we finish this one,
You call.
yes, because the other plate
Yes.
is almost already.
Yes.
Yes, the design, the cuts,
Everything.
all, yes. Just need to paint.
Paint,
And, you bring the other to mount and
Yes.
but I call you first.
Yes. You think afternoon, late or 2 o'clock?
Yes, maybe.
About 2?
See. Yes.
Because, yeah. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
So now we are trying to fit our bags to the bike for tomorrow. And as you can see, we have this customized plates from JMM Moto Pecas. And it's very nice. It's very cool and it's so neat.
And they custom made this in 2 days for 2 bikes.
Yeah. So
I'm amazed.
I mean, they're working overtime for this because we're leaving tomorrow.
So this is the first time we actually fit these Givi bags. That is cool.
Doesn't fit, I think.
No. Oh. cool. So we actually did pack a lot of stuff in this. So it's actually pretty heavy.
I'm really impressed with the plate.
I'm very, I really love this.
Tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Yeah. Mi droga que te deslice. No digamos el pecado.
This one is just for pillows, huh?
It's my clothes. It doesn't weigh anything.
That's unfair.
I mean, that's cool. I thought it was gonna be really heavy.
That doesn't weigh.
Yeah, I know. It's just
We just put the pillows in there just for the show of it.
oh my god.
Alright. Something along those lines. It's full of cat hair.
Yeah. So this is how it looks now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is it. And we're gonna start tomorrow. Are you excited for tomorrow?
I don't know, I'm just busy in my head constantly here. Trying to get everything organized and packed and getting ready. And even one of the bikes that we have is still at the workshop.
Yeah.
And they're working flat out to get it done so we can leave tomorrow. The plate is pretty much done on the other bike also. They just needed to paint it by the time we pick this up. And to mount the Givi frames. So, yeah. So I don't think that will be a problem. We fitted a lot of the bags. We took one strip off here because we forgot to film. But one strap is good, and we put two elastics on. Those with the hooks on. We put two of those. So we came here on the 10th of October, right?
Yeah.
And we stayed in this house for the duration of it, right?
2 months.
Yeah, 2 months. And yeah, we stayed here with Bob. And first we stayed in the garage. And then later, when it became really cold, he invited us to stay in his bedroom, and he vacated that. And we're super grateful for having a place here in Portugal while all these things was going on, paperwork, registration of bikes, and my registration here, and all these things. And it's been pretty cool. And Bob is his daughter's car here. They embraced us. This is pretty good. We feel at home here, for sure. What do you say? You feel at home here?
Yeah, and we're gonna show you the garage that
Oh, we can't get in because it's already rented out again. Yeah. So, yeah, we had space here for the bikes each evening. So, yeah. So we stayed here first. Yeah, we're so busy and we're leaving tomorrow. It's just been packing for 2 days basically.
yeah, and
We haven't really finished yet. We have to still pack for a few hours. And maybe also tomorrow get up really early and then yeah, pack the bikes, strap them in, and then hit the roads. See if we can get a lot of kilometers in and reach Madrid as we can. Yeah. Promise. Bye. But we're very excited.
you?
I'm excited, but I'm really busy, and I just can't wait to get on the road and just get going.
I'm excited for this trip, but at the same time, I'm very nervous because it's gonna be my first time with all these luggages.
Yeah.
And
But you got your visa, huh?
yeah.
So the plan now is to go via Spain, Portugal, Spain, France, southern France, south of the Alps, so into Italy, and then moving down through Italy to Brindisi and take the ferry from there to Greece, and then move over Greece as close to the border as we can, stay a night, I hope, and then cross the border to Turkey. We're so excited. Look at this.
But if you need, you have a table here.
Yes.
This is the cable,
Oh,
the
okay.
clutch cable.
Oh, yeah.
If you need it,
Yes.
that's
I
right.
can cut and no, it's
Oh,
ready,
no.
ready to go.
No, yes. Then I don't know if you already have this.
No, I don't.
No?
We don't have.
We've
We
been-
plan to
been
buy.
talking about it a lot.
This is to not forget the
Lock.
lock.
Yeah.
I did many times. It's so important. Yeah.
And this is the polygon.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is for you.
Thank you very much.
We're so glad. We're so happy for this. It's so good.
This is my daughter.
Oh,
Thank you. How are you doing? How are you doing? Are you okay?
Eddy,
high five. Oh, did I high five?
This is Max.
Max,
Hi.
his wife.
How are you?
So,
You speak English?
Of course.
no,
Jana.
Jana. Nice name. Very
this is my
beautiful.
little wife.
And you? What's your name?
Como é que te chamas,
Como é que te
filha?
chamas, filho? Diz lá o teu nome.
What's your name?
Gabriel.
Gabrielle.
Gabriel.
How are you doing?
Gabriel, mas diz
Ok.
Gabriel.
Oh,
Nervous.
very.
I am very nervous.
When did we get driver's license? Same day
I
in
got my-
Philippines
yeah.
and Denmark.
Good work.
Same day. What was it?
I don't know. September, I think. 20
You from?
Denmark.
Denmark.
Okay.
Yeah. And we got driver's license. The test same day in Philippines and in Denmark. Same day
The same day.
in September.
This year.
You see?
Same number. Same date.
Yeah.
It's
This September.
And now we go travel.
Tem carta de Mota desde setembro. E já vão dar a volta ao mundo.
It's the destiny.
Yes,
probably.
absolutely. One more selfie.
Sure.
Okay.
With my wife.
I'm the one who is thanking.
Yeah, we're so grateful
Yes.
that we found this shop here.
We're so happy that we found a place we could use for all this. It's been very important to us, for sure. And it, I get really emotional now. Yeah, I think it's really important.